In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a coloring book in Canva. Whether you're looking to create personalized gifts or expand your digital product offerings, coloring books are a fantastic way to channel creativity, and the best part is with Canva, it's easier than ever. Let's dive in and get started. First off, head over to the Canva website. Once you're there, you'll want to get started by typing coloring book into the search bar. A whole world of possibilities will open up before you, as this search will bring up a plethora of template options created specifically for designing coloring books. These templates can save you a great deal of time and provide a solid foundation for your project. Don't worry if this is your first time, as Canva's user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to navigate. Once you have your results displayed, take a moment to browse through the wide variety of templates available. This array of designs offers different styles and themes, so you can find something that truly resonates with the audience you're targeting. Whether you want a whimsical, child-friendly book or a more intricate, adult-focused design, there's definitely something for every need. As you explore, let your creative vision guide you in selecting the one that perfectly matches your intentions. After selecting a template, it's time to make it your own by clicking on the Customize this template button. This feature allows you to personalize every aspect of the template, from the layout to the images included. Remember, this is where you infuse your creativity and make each page stand out. When you're in the customizing phase, feel free to play around with the various elements. If you find any text within the template that you'd like to change, Canva makes it very straightforward. Simply click on the text you want to edit, and an array of options will appear for you to modify fonts, sizes, and colors. This adaptability ensures that your book can carry a consistent visual style while also allowing room for personal expression. As you edit, always keep your target audience in mind. If your coloring book is intended for children, consider including simple designs with bold outlines. If it's aimed at adults, you might opt for more intricate patterns and finer details. Remember, a cohesive theme is key to creating a visually appealing coloring book. Once you're happy with your customizations, it's a good idea to review your entire book. Look over each page to ensure that everything flows smoothly and that there are no elements left unnoticed. And there you have it. You've now created a beautiful customized coloring book using Canva, ready to be printed or distributed digitally. Embrace your creativity and feel free to explore even more features that Canva has to offer. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!